Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out, in my opinion, one of the best looking 69 Camaros that we've had in quite a while. This thing is really, really sharp. Got cold air, great look, rotisserie done, so the bottom side's just as nice, all painted like a higher semi-gloss black, a lot of new components. We went ahead and put these different wheels and tires on it, and I love it. There's usually not too many white cars that, in my opinion, look this good. I love white. My truck's white. This should be in my garage. I mean, I absolutely love it. White with the black SS stripes, some chrome wheels, just made it look even nicer. Built small block, aluminum heads, cold AC, power brakes with disc on the front, power steering, MSD ignition, and I like how you even went with the black and white MSD box versus the typical red one.
Dual fans.
And the small block is nice. You know why? Because it still get all the power you want, especially with the built motor, aluminum heads, and also you don't have to worry so much about overheating. A little better on gas. It's just sometimes more reliable than your big block, but.
And on the battery they got where you can just like disconnect it, connect it really fast just by doing that.
Yeah, it's got dual electric fans. Really good looking engine compartment. You can tell a lot of new components. Tell a recent restoration. Paint on the inner fenders is just as nice as the exterior of the car. So is the bottom of the hood. This thing is sharp. And how nice is vintage air to have on one of these too. Love the Super Sport hood with ice cube trays on there. Bumper, grill, all that's in excellent shape. It's got the front chin spoiler, and even that's not beat up. Front disc brakes, US mag wheels, brand new wheels and tires. Fender, hood, door, all line up great. Glass is clean. I mean, they don't come much nicer than this either. And this one's really just as nice. Real straight up and down the side. The door sticks out just a little bit here at the bottom. Might be a striker, could be adjusted too. Door panel's in great shape. Corner of the door's rust free. It's a 4-speed automatic in here too, which makes it extra nice. And they did the right plate, versus just the 3-speed. They got the correct shifter plate, indicates the 4-speed. Dash paint's nice. Dash pad itself is great. Seats were recovered. You can tell they use like a little extra cushion to kind of pull that fabric in, but did a good job of that. Seat backs are good. Back seat's in nice shape, so is the headliner. A few small little wrinkles in the headliner, but for a brand new headliner, it's always hard to get them perfectly tight. That glass and package tray look good. I love how the exhaust comes out too, just right there at the bottom. Driver's door lines up perfect. I haven't seen much for really any paint imperfections, not even rock chips. It's got such a good stance and look too.
I love the chrome all the way around. It just shines awesome.
At first when we bought it, I didn't know how the white would look. Sometimes white doesn't picture very well. But man, this thing looks sharp with those wheels.
That's sweet.
Driver's door panel's awesome. Door jamb paint and corner of the door is great. The one with digital gauges. So kind of made a rest them out that way with the air, digital gauges, 4-speed auto, some really nice upgrades. Does also have tilt wheel. Let me do that. I'll slide my seat back a little bit if I can. Starts really easy. Horn works. Wipers. Wipers are not working right now, so we'll make sure we get them fixed on our sold ticket. To mention, the AC blows ice cold. Sounds great. We're a little low on gas, but looks like the gas gauge works, tach works, speedometer works. Down here you got temp, fuel, oil pressure, and volt gauge. Those all appear to be working. Radio works. Find the station.
Requires a compatible remote device and SIM.
Radio works. Man, I'm excited to drive this car. I haven't drove it yet.
Yeah, I am too.
This might be a good one to. I might want to take this weekend.
Yeah.
Freaking just nice.
Oh yeah.
Really good sound. Here's your brakes. Stop perfect. No pull left or right. Really nice pedal. Go through the gears on it once too. I love that exhaust. Yeah, it sounds awesome. This thing's cool.
Yeah.
Kick downwards. So it's about 80 mile an hour right here. Front end's really nice and tight. Looks like we caught a bug too on our way, on our test drive. I'll have to get that cleaned off before I do my pictures. Again, here's your brakes at a little higher speed. They work awesome. Car to drive. Yeah. Roll my window up and yeah, it sounds. Windows go up good on both sides, and when they're up, it seals pretty good too. Good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.